Hi, in this video, I will tell you how to increase landing page conversion rate that some people not aware with it. If this video gave you value, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and notification on so that you will never miss our new videos. In the last video, I talked about how to build SEO-friendly landing page. Regarding to that, I found an interesting topic while searching, landing page conversion rate. Little did you know, good conversion rates is such a big part of getting SEO right. Then you will start thinking about what is a good landing page conversion rate. I have to know about it so I can also getting SEO right. If you ask 10 digital marketers this question, you'll get 10 different answers. The truth is that the answer is it depends, and at first based on your goals, call to action, and your product. But then how to actually increase landing page conversion rate? There are actually a lot of ways to get there, but in this video I will summarize it all into points. Okay, the first one is improve your page load speed. Website loading speed makes a big difference. In fact, even a 1 second delay in page loading time can lead to a 7% drop in conversions. Many things can slow down your landing page like larger image are common. In analysis of around 10,000 landing page without large image result in average conversion rate of 11.4% compared to 9.8% for page with large image. Okay, the second one is focus on one call to action or CTA. Every landing page should include a call to action that tells visitors what to do next. Research shows that landing page with one link lead to an average conversion rate of around 13.5%, while pages with 2 to 4 links lead to an average conversion rate of 11.9%. Also, if you want to have a good CTA button, I will never stop to recommend you guys our plugins called Floating Awesome Button. It is a customizable stickation button that can help you do various things like adding call to action, scroll to top, and display custom pop-up. I will put the link on the description, so make sure to check it out. Thank you. Okay, the last one is make sure that your landing page visually interesting. Most visitors only take a few seconds to determine whether or not they should be on the same page. For this reason, it is important to add multimedia elements to give your landing page some life. Research shows that using video on landing page can increase conversion by 86%. But regarding to that, you have to also consider about text on your landing page. Most web users scan pages rather than read them entirely. As a result, landing page with a high word count tend to receive fewer conversion. For this reason, we recommend that you cut down your word count and only include essential information within your copy. Also, consider text formatting, use bullets, headers, and spacing to break up large blocks of text. Okay, I think that's all from me. After all, there are many mistakes that can affect your landing page. The list that I said before is endless, but I hope these common things help you identify some improvements you can make to your own landing page. Although low conversion rates can be discouraging, you can make a few small changes and see results quickly. Don't ever stop to do testing until you got what you want. Remember that your every effort is matter. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye!